Hello, Buffy Cats. Want to see my washing machine go? I just repaired it.
But the glass door is so dirty, Wrench. How can you even tell if it's working?
You're right, Lampo. Unfortunately, I don't know how to clean it.
If you want, you can use this scarf.
Okay, milady. Let's try it. It worked perfectly, and now I can see it working. How can I ever thank you?
With a cat swap, Wrench. Can you give us something to play with?
I've got what you need, Buffy Cats. A beautiful tire.
A tire?
So what's wrong? It's brand new.
That's not the problem, Wrench. We started playing cat swap because we already had a tire.
And we wanted to trade it for a game.
With a little imagination, anything can be used for a game. Even a tire.
Wrench is right, Buffy Cats. We just need the right Buffy brainstorm.
Don't worry. It just happens when it does the super spin cycle.
Maybe you should turn it off, Wrench!
The problem is, I forgot to fix the off switch. My washing machine. Stop that door!
Leave it to me.
Great, milady!
A super pawesome move!
Look how the tire is spinning! It looks like a spinning top!
Spinning top, I've got a Buffy brainstorm! Wrench, what do you say we... Will that work?
Sure it will, milady. I'll get right on it. Hello and welcome.
Hi, Wrench. I want to know who has better luck, Neko or me. Can you help us?
Let me think. Where did I put it? Here it is.
What is it?
It's a toy. It's called the farm game. I'll show you how it works. Yeah.
The cow says...
I want to try too!
This is a pig.
My turn now.
This is a horse.
The winner is the one who gets the arrow to stop on the cat. But you have to be lucky.
Today is my lucky day. I'll get it on the first try. What?
The bird says...
This thing must be broken.
I'll try it.
Listen to the cat.
Wow, what luck.
Neko won the game again!
Hey!
I didn't do anything special. Come play, Meatball!
I'm coming.
The bird says...
I thought for sure this would be my lucky day. Hello, little bird. What are you doing on my head? What's that thing around your leg? But this is...
Oh. Hey, it's raining brain and spare parts. Just what I need for my garage.
Look out below!
Hey. I've seen plenty of bikes, but that's my first flying one for sure.
Oh, all that work to build it and now it's junk.
You built it yourself?
Yeah. I wanted to take part in the Meow Meow Grand Prix and beat that show-off boss. But I'll have to give up.
Are you joking? I'm Wrench, the best mechanic cat in town. And if that's your dream, we'll make it come true. There you go. I made some adjustments, and now it's your real bike. Quick setting brakes, cat-like reflexes, and above all, an extraordinary wonder engine.
A wonder engine?
You don't need gas to make it go. This bike needs snacks.
Oh, sandwiches. Sweet. It's got my appetite.
Hey, that's for the bike.
I don't know how to thank you, Wrench.
Win that race. I don't like braggarts like Boss.
I'll do my best. Welcome to our first ever Creative Recycling Day!
Here you go, Lampo. My favorite tire. We made so many memorable races together.
Thank you, Wrench.
You did a top-notch job, Buffy Cats. Yep. Yep. But they are missing something. Something to make them go. Let me see what we have here. A suspension spring, an old hand drill, and a ball bearing. Here we go. These will come in handy. And there we go.
It's pawesome!
Now it's time to play!
Now all the neighborhood cats can come and have fun.
The Scrapyard game is totally pawesome! Huh? It's raining again!
But now you know.
Rain won't stop us from playing!
Everyone inside the crane!
Look, it's Terry!
Oh! Hi, Buffy Cats. I was playing around in the scrapyard when my collar came off. I fell into that pile of jars, and then it started to rain.
Don't worry, we'll get it back.
Thanks to the Scrapyard game. The dinosaur's out. We're gonna play Dinosaur World.
Look, Terry's collar was taken by a king can cobra.
Don't be afraid! We're riding a real Dino-Catsaurus!
Pawesome! Are you sure we'll be able to get my collar back?
Sure, Terry. The Dino-Catsaurus is the strongest dinosaur ever.
Hey, the King Can Cobra isn't joking around. He covered our Dino-Catsaurus's eyes!
I'll handle this.
Great job, milady! Now it's our turn. Yeah! Come on, Dino-Catsaurus!
Oh no! Our Dino-Catsaurus just got muzzled!
To free him, we'll have to pull this lever.
my collar. Thank you, Buffy Cats. You're the best furry fellows a dog could have. See ya!
Thank you, Wrench. We had such a great time.
Keep it, Buffy Cats, so you can play whenever you want.
Look, over here, another clue.
Ah, what is it?
It looks like engine oil.
Ugh, that doesn't sound like a very yummy clue.
Buffy Cats, we've got a problem. There are too many stains, too many trails to follow. There's no way to be sure which is the one.
Well, at least I'm sure about how hungry I am.
We're never going to find my flower.
Did you just say flour? Someone with an orange flower spilled that oil and made a mess of the place.
So you saw the culprit.
No, his back was turned.
But the culprit did come through here, and my whiskers will find out where he went.
Now that's a Buffy brainstorm, Lampo.
My whiskers are telling us that's the right track.
A submarine? Are you serious?
Well, it's just, we thought...
Seriously cool! I've always dreamed of building one, and I'd be happy to help. Under one condition.
What condition?
I get to be Captain Wrench. Is that clear, sailors?
Yes, sir, Captain Sir!
Well, what do you think, Buffy Cats?
Wow, it's a real submarine.
You're the best, Wrench.
So what are you waiting for? Get on board! No laying down on the job, sailors. All hands on deck. We've got a pearl to find.
But there are no pearls in the river.
All rivers flow into the ocean. Milady, that's where you'll find what you're looking for. Easy on that wheel.
Oops.
Whoa!
Periscope. Any pearls in sight? Elu?
Negative, Captain Wrench.
Depth control? Take us down a bit more.
Right away, Captain Wrench.
Lampo, keep us from running aground.
Don't worry, Captain. My whiskers are telling us we're right on course. Rock on our port side, Meatball! Straighten up and then full speed ahead!
Driving under the sea is the best. We don't even have to worry about getting stuck in traffic.
Pearl, sighted to starboard.
Beautiful! Crew, prepare the recovery operation. Turn on the light of the periscope.
The pincer is in position, Captain. Yeah! Recovery operation successful.
Giant octopus on the bow. And it's angry.
Quick, evasive maneuvers. Now, full speed ahead.
We lost him.
Don't be so sure, sailor.
It's gaining on us. Prepare to be boarded.
Or maybe eaten.
No, we've lost the pearl.
Don't worry, Pilu. I'm going back.
Remain calm, sailor. Repeat the recovery operation.
Right away, Captain. The octopus grabbed it.
Don't give up, sailor. Turn off the light of the periscope. We need to pass unnoticed.
Quick, it's on our tail!
Oh no! What do we do now?
Meatball, cave spotted at 12 o'clock.
Let's hide in there! Subscribe to the channel.